Unveiling the mysteries. Since ancient times, civilizations worldwide have left behind astonishing achievements that are difficult to explain even with modern knowledge and technology. The Egyptian pyramids, the Nazca Lines in Peru, stone cities like Pompeii, and massive structures like Stonehenge all raise significant questions about their origins and construction methods. Were these incredible feats accomplished solely through human ingenuity, or could something else be at play? One of the most controversial theories suggests that extraterrestrial beings played a role in shaping ancient civilizations and their progress. Could ancient aliens be the missing piece of the puzzle in understanding our past? Let's explore the evidence and ask ourselves, is it really possible that we are not alone in the universe? For centuries, stories and legends have been passed down through generations. Tales of gods descending from the heavens, of flying chariots and celestial beings. Could these stories, often dismissed as mere myths, hold a grain of truth, a glimpse into a past where extraterrestrial beings walked among us? Almost every ancient civilization, from the Sumerians to the Egyptians, from the Hindus to the Mayans, has stories of gods or beings who came from the sky. These beings were often depicted as possessing advanced knowledge and technology, sharing their wisdom with early humans. Could these accounts be interpreted as encounters with extraterrestrial visitors, their advanced technology misinterpreted as divine intervention? The prevalence of these stories across cultures and across time periods is striking. Scattered across the globe are ancient structures of such immense scale and complexity that they continue to defy explanation, even with our modern understanding of engineering and architecture. The Great Pyramid of Giza, for example, a marvel of ancient engineering, is composed of millions of perfectly cut stone blocks, each weighing tons. The precision with which these blocks were fitted together is astounding even by today's standards. How could a civilization lacking modern tools and technology have achieved such a feat? Some researchers believe that the construction of the pyramids would have been impossible without the use of advanced technologies, perhaps even technologies beyond our current understanding. Then we have the enigmatic Nazca Lines of Peru, gigantic geoglyphs etched into the desert floor, forming intricate patterns and depictions of animals and geometric shapes. Why would a civilization create such massive designs that could only be seen from above? Was it a form of communication? A message to the heavens? Perhaps even a landing strip for ancient astronauts? Throughout history, humanity has experienced periods of remarkable technological and scientific advancement, sudden bursts of knowledge and innovation that seem to defy the natural progression of human understanding. Take, for example, the Sumerian civilization, one of the oldest known civilizations on Earth. In a remarkably short period of time, the Sumerians made astounding advancements in writing, mathematics, astronomy, and agriculture. How did this ancient civilization, seemingly overnight, develop such advanced knowledge and technologies? Could it be that they were not alone in their endeavors, that they received guidance and instruction from extraterrestrial visitors? From the depths of ancient caves to the walls of towering temples, humanity has long expressed itself through art, leaving behind a visual record of its beliefs, its fears, and its encounters with the unknown. Intriguingly, many of these ancient artworks feature enigmatic depictions of beings and objects that seem strikingly out of place, figures that defy easy explanation and fuel speculation about the possibility of extraterrestrial contact in our distant past. In the depths of caves in France and Spain, for example, prehistoric artists adorned the walls with intricate paintings of animals, humans, and mysterious beings that seem to defy categorization. Could these be early depictions of extraterrestrial visitors, impressions etched into the minds of our ancestors and immortalized on cave walls? The ancient Maya, renowned for their advanced knowledge of astronomy and mathematics, left behind a wealth of carvings and sculptures, some of which depict figures that bear a striking resemblance to modern-day astronauts. Perhaps one of the most compelling pieces of evidence comes from the Dogon tribe of Mali, Africa. The Dogon possess a sophisticated understanding of astronomy, including knowledge of Sirius B, a white dwarf star that is invisible to the naked eye. They claim that their ancestors received this knowledge from the Namo, amphibious beings who descended from the sky, beings they believe came from the Sirius star system. From the earliest civilizations to the modern era, human progress has been marked by periods of remarkable innovation and knowledge acquisition. Consider, for example, the sudden emergence of advanced astronomical knowledge in ancient cultures. The Egyptians, Mayans, and Sumerians all possessed a sophisticated understanding of the celestial bodies, tracking the movements of the stars and planets with remarkable accuracy. How did these ancient civilizations, seemingly overnight, acquire such a profound understanding of the cosmos? The development of mathematics is another compelling example. The Sumerians developed a sexagesimal system of mathematics, a system based on the number 60, which forms the foundation of our modern-day measurements of time and angles. Could it be that this knowledge was imparted to them, a gift from extraterrestrial visitors with a more advanced understanding of mathematics? The ancient world is replete with awe-inspiring megastructures, colossal monuments of such immense scale and complexity that they continue to challenge our understanding of what ancient civilizations were capable of achieving. The Great Pyramid of Giza, a testament to the engineering prowess of the ancient Egyptians, is a prime example. Composed of over 2 million stone blocks, some weighing as much as 80 tons, the pyramid's construction would have been a monumental undertaking, even with modern-day technology. The precision with which the blocks were cut and fitted together, with tolerances so tight that a razor blade cannot be inserted between them, is nothing short of astonishing. Moving and lifting these massive stones would have presented an even greater challenge. Conventional theories suggest ramps and levers were used, but even with thousands of workers, the logistics of such an operation seem almost insurmountable. Could it be that the Egyptians, aided by advanced technologies perhaps gifted to them by extraterrestrial visitors, employed methods that we are only beginning to understand today? The origins of humanity, our emergence as a unique and intelligent species on this planet, has been a subject of intense fascination and debate for centuries. One of the most intriguing aspects of human evolution is the relatively rapid development of our brains and cognitive abilities. Compared to other primates, our brains are significantly larger and more complex, allowing us to engage in abstract thought, language, and complex problem-solving. This rapid increase in brain size and cognitive function, known as the cognitive revolution, occurred over a relatively short period of time in evolutionary terms, leading some to question whether natural selection alone can fully account for this remarkable transformation. Could it be that our ancestors, at some point in our distant past, received a helping hand in the form of genetic manipulation by extraterrestrial beings? Proponents of this theory suggest that advanced beings, perhaps seeking to cultivate intelligent life on Earth, intervened in our evolutionary pathway, introducing genetic material that enhanced our cognitive abilities and propelled us forward on our evolutionary trajectory. Throughout history, there have been individuals who seem to possess extraordinary wisdom, insight, and the ability to inspire and guide others. These prophets, visionaries, and leaders often claim to receive their knowledge and inspiration from a higher power, a divine source that guided their actions and shaped their message. Could it be that some of these individuals, revered for their spiritual insights and profound teachings, were actually in communication with extraterrestrial beings, receiving guidance and knowledge from advanced civilizations beyond our world? Consider the story of the prophet Ezekiel, a figure revered in Judaism, Christianity, and Islam. Ezekiel's visions, described in vivid detail in the Bible, include encounters with strange and wondrous beings, fiery chariots descending from the heavens, and wheels within wheels rotating with otherworldly precision. These visions, often interpreted through a religious lens, could also be seen as descriptions of encounters with advanced technologies and extraterrestrial beings, their advanced craft and technologies perceived through the lens of Ezekiel's own cultural understanding. The possibility that extraterrestrial beings have communicated with and influenced key figures throughout history, shaping the course of events and imparting knowledge that has profoundly impacted human civilization, is a tantalizing one. Are we alone? The enduring mystery of ancient aliens? Did ancient aliens really shape human civilization? Did they walk among our ancestors, sharing their knowledge and technology, leaving behind clues embedded in ancient structures, artwork, and even our very DNA? While we may never have definitive proof, the evidence, as we've explored, is undeniably compelling. The sheer number of ancient mysteries, unexplained phenomena, and advanced technologies that seem to defy conventional explanation begs the question: were our ancestors truly alone in their endeavors, or did they receive a helping hand from the stars? Perhaps one day, through continued exploration, scientific discovery, and a willingness to embrace possibilities beyond the confines of our current understanding, we will finally unlock the secrets of our past and unveil the truth behind the ancient alien hypothesis.